Hello juniors, and welcome back to Computer Systems and Programming. For this video we'll be going over what is code and why Python. Some may ask, well, what is computer programming? Well, a computer program is a series of steps that a computer can follow. Programming is taking a goal or objective and writing a language that a computer will understand in order to streamline the end goal. Programming is supposed to take repetitive processes and make them more efficient tasks. For example, you can program your DVR to record something while you aren't home, or you can program the church bells to ring at certain times. The end goal of programming is to create something. That could mean anything from a web page, or a piece of software, or even just a pretty picture. That's why computer programming is often described as a mix between art and science. It's technical and analytical, yet creative at the same time. Next, we'll be talking about how programming is a language and what it does. Basically, it is a language that computers speak. Syntax in terms of programming is similar to how English and Spanish have different ways of organizing verbs, adjectives, nouns, and words in general. Programming languages have their own syntax and how they organize their lines of code. Next, we are going to be looking at the power of programming. The ability to program can lead to a well-paid career, research opportunities, starting your own businesses, or many other things. Several ITA graduates have ended up very successful through programming. The gentleman on the top of the presentation graduated from ITA in 2008, and when he left UW-Madison, he spent a year building a portfolio of code in GitHub. He found an issue with Reddit and submitted the code voluntarily to fix the issue. Then he got a job in the heart of San Francisco as a programmer for a healthcare startup. They paid a high salary, set him up with a place to live and food to eat. The gentleman on the bottom right graduated from ITA in 2010 and was always interested in code from the moment he applied for ITA. He continued to develop his skills through college, and soon after he graduated, he began working in the Silicon Valley. The gentleman on the bottom left graduated from ITA in 2013, and he currently works for a company in Madison called Blue that makes video games. Right now, he is working on a game called Disney Heroes. He works on characters and combat, and everything he does is in Java and Eclipse. Next, we are going to be looking at popular program languages as of 2021. The first is JavaScript, which is the most commonly used language in the world and is used for web development, game development, and mobile apps, and building web servers. Next is Python. This is an introductory programming choice because it is simple and easy to read like English. It is used for back-end development, data science, and app development. Then there is HTML, which also stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is the language used to tell our website what each part of a website is. HTML is used for web documents, website development, and website management. Then I'm just going to mention the rest of these. You can go back into this presentation and read about them. So there is CSS, Java, C++, CQL, Project C, and Go. Here's a picture that shows the top programming languages in comparison to the most in-demand languages in the year 2017. These statistics have highly changed since then. So you can see Java is pretty much at the top across the board for both. And that is all I have for you guys today. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is slbauer2@wisc.edu. That is slbauer2@wisc.edu. Or please attend my student hours, and I will see you guys later.